The truth about IMEI tracking. Have you ever lost your phone and wondered if you could track it using Kali Linux and an IMEI number? If you've searched online, you've probably seen videos claiming that hackers can instantly locate any phone using just its IMEI number. But how much of that is actually true? In today's video, we're going to separate fact from fiction and explain how IMEI tracking really works, what Kali Linux can and cannot do, and the legitimate steps you should take if your phone is lost or stolen. Let's begin. First, let's understand what an IMEI number actually is. IMEI stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity. Every mobile phone has a unique IMEI number assigned to it by the manufacturer. Think of it as a digital fingerprint for your device. Mobile carriers use IMEI numbers to identify devices on their networks. Law enforcement agencies and telecom providers can also use IMEI information during investigations involving lost or stolen phones. Because of this, many people assume that anyone with an IMEI number can track a phone's location. However, that's not how it works. One of the biggest myths on the internet is that Kali Linux contains secret tools that can locate any phone using only its IMEI number. The reality is very different. Kali Linux is a cybersecurity and penetration testing operating system. It includes tools for network analysis, digital forensics, security assessments, and ethical hacking. It does not provide magical access to mobile carrier databases or real-time phone location information. To track a phone using IMEI data, access to mobile network infrastructure is typically required. Telecom operators maintain information about devices connected to their networks, and that data is not publicly available. This means that ordinary users cannot simply enter an IMEI number into Kali Linux and obtain a phone's live location. So why do so many websites and videos claim otherwise? Many of them are either misleading, outdated, or promoting fake software. Some websites even ask users to pay money for IMEI tracking services that provide no real results. As cybersecurity professionals, it's important to verify claims before trusting them. Now let's discuss what Kali Linux can actually be used for in a lost device investigation. For example, security analysts can use Kali Linux for digital forensics, network analysis, log investigation, and evidence collection. If a device is recovered, forensic tools can help analyze data stored on the device. However, these capabilities are very different from obtaining real-time location data through an IMEI number. So what should you do if your phone is lost or stolen? The first step is to use your device manufacturer's official tracking service. For Android devices, Google's Find My Device service can help locate, lock, or erase a phone remotely if location services were enabled before the device was lost. For iPhones, Apple's Find My Network provides similar functionality, allowing users to locate their devices and protect their personal data. The second step is to contact your mobile carrier. Provide them with your IMEI number and explain that the device has been lost or stolen. Depending on local regulations and carrier policies, they may be able to block the device from accessing their network. This doesn't necessarily recover the phone, but it can reduce the chances of unauthorized use. The third step is to report the loss to local authorities if theft is suspected. Law enforcement agencies may work with telecom providers during legitimate investigations. In some situations, the IMEI number can help identify or recover a stolen device. Another important recommendation is to secure your online accounts immediately. If your phone contained email accounts, banking applications, social media accounts, or authentication apps, change your passwords as soon as possible. This reduces the risk of unauthorized access. You should also revoke access to important services and sign out of active sessions whenever possible. One of the best defenses against phone theft is preparation. Enable device tracking features before you lose your phone. Use strong screen lock security. Enable biometric authentication. Turn on remote wipe capabilities. and regularly back up important data. These simple precautions can make a huge difference if your device ever goes missing. So, can you track a lost phone using Kali Linux and only an IMEI number? The short answer is no. Kali Linux does not provide access to telecom tracking systems, and ordinary users cannot obtain a phone's live location simply by knowing its IMEI number. The safest and most effective approach is to use official tracking services, contact your carrier, and report the incident through the proper channels. I hope this video helped clear up some common myths surrounding IMEI tracking and Kali Linux.